Hello everyone again, friends. In this video, I will show you how you can become a member of Shopify. Becoming a member of Shopify is free for the first 14 days. After 14 days, it does not demand any payment, but it closes your website automatically. You cannot make sales within 14 days. It only allows you to create your website, and you can examine it from your own eyes. But as I said, it does not allow you to sell. Let's say you have completed your website after 14 days. After you pay Shopify by choosing the required monthly package, you can open your website for use. When you say sign up for Shopify right now, the first thing he asks us for is an email address. After writing our email address, we write our passport. After writing it, it asks us for a store name. It's not very important to start with, because you will eventually connect a domain. You need to use an empty store name in Shopify. For example, let's write Freemax here. As you can see, this store name is taken now. When we put one, we can use the store name. We will use it as freemaxbird.myshopify.com in the first 14 days. When we say it occurs, right now it's creating our store, it's creating our membership. It asks us what to sell here, or I can translate Turkish like this. It asks if you are already selling it somewhere else. I don't sell it yet because you don't sell it anywhere. Where do you plan to sell it? I'm not sure what else you want to sell for besides your Shopify store right now. As I said, this information is not very important, friends. Do you have current interests? No. No 0TL. Any activity in which field should we operate? Give an example. Let's say after we wear it, let's show it. Here you see your own information about Shopify. Enter everything here completely without leaving everything blank, friends. I'm withholding this information from you right now. Right now, after my information comes in, I say next. As you can see right now, our Shopify store is fully open, as we are currently available. On the left side, we have a glasses icon to see our online store when we click on it. As you can see right now, our Shopify site does not open because there is no theme installed. In the next videos, I will show you detailed videos on how you can set up your website about what these features, these categories do. Creating a membership is that simple. As you can see right now, telling us to choose a plan. Since we will use it for free for 14 days, we are not choosing any plan at the moment. We also have the same plans available here. And that's it for this video. See you in our next video.